Welcome to morning Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. Today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, so shift all your weight over to one side, and then come onto the ball of the foot, and then rotate the ankle in a circle. All right, we'll start off with some ankle circles to lubricate the joints. We'll do about 5 circles one way, then reverse direction, doing 5 the other. All right, then switching sides, shift your weight all the way over, coming on the ball of the foot, rotate the ankle. This is really helpful to keep the ankles flexible, and it's great for balance as well. And reverse direction, doing 5 circles each way, and you can always do more on your own later. These are great to do every day. All right, next we'll do the hips. So with the feet shoulder width apart, place your hands on your hips and then rotate your pelvis in a circle. So starting off with small circles, and then if it feels okay, you can make them a little bigger, but we're not trying to set any records today, just trying to loosen the joints. All right, then reverse direction. And if any of the movements bother you, you can just skip them or just do very small motions. And you can have a seat at any time. All right, and then finally we'll do the shoulders. So let the arms just float down by the sides and then lift the shoulders up towards the ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders. This helps release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. Also great to do every day. All right, one more time, the shoulder rolls. Let's take a moment, notice how you feel. And then from here, the arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time, circle the arms in front like you're hugging a big tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making 2 loose fists. Circling the fists all the way up and over, turning the wheel. And you can stay nice and tall, or if you want, this time you can sink a little bit lower as the fists come down. All right, creating a little more challenge. One more time on this side, turning the wheel. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up and over, just as much as you can comfortably, and down. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, turning the wheel. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. From here, the fingertips point down as you soften down towards the earth. The hands come forward, all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands floating up and over, out and down, as we harvest from the garden. Enjoying the fruits of our labor. All right, one more time. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth as the hands circle around, as if your hands are lightly resting on the moon. Just going for the ride. And then reverse direction, whichever way you were going, just go the other way. Circling the hands around. One more time. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top, embrace the moon. Pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. Almost like you're carrying something precious. Circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. And then reverse direction, circle it around. One more time, the moon orbits the earth. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in as you step in, then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, the hands float all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. Circle it around again, scooping under, gather in the breath, gather in the energy, letting it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? All right, one more time, pushing the mountain. This time, the hands keep on going all the way up overhead. Palms face the body as they drift down, scooping under. Gather in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again, wave hands like clouds. Soften the shoulders, soften the neck, soften the face and the eyes, using only what you need. One more time, drift across. This time the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up, the bottom hand floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again. We call this one single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out. And you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up, and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time as you step in, drifting across, letting go, and breathing. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, bottom hand floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out. This time you can step in if you like, and then step out as the hand floats across. All right, one more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time, stepping in, drifting across. And we'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation. Wave hands like clouds. Tuning into the body, just noticing the sensations. All right, one more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both hands float down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, circle it around again. Ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, ward off. This time the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down. Circle the arms all the way around again, rolling back. Receiving the energy. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The arms float out to the side, then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, we call this the press. And from here, the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Pushing the mountain, breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side. As you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Circle it around again, ward off. Really tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. One more time. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. shifting the weight, going with the flow. One more time. This time we'll toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. And the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time. It's called grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. And press. Release. Draw in. And push. Sit back, open, wipe across. Other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in. And push. Sit back. This time, hug the tree. Bring it to center and soften. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, backs of the hands face each other, floating up the midline of the body, drifting out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up, breathing out, letting go. Moving like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. This time the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the body breathing all by itself. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down, just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And you can continue to stand or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Releasing Fear. Feeling calm and full of cheer, getting more peaceful every year. With every laugh and every tear, embracing life, releasing fear. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day morning Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.